Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print all permutations of a string in lexicographic order using recursion. So before starting with the program, let us understand what is a lexicographic order. So a lexicographic order refers to the arrangement of all possible permutations of a string in an given order. In simple terms, it is a list of all permutations sorted as they would appear in a dictionary. So let us understand this with the program. So in the first line, this defines the recursive function lexicographic permutations which generates all permutations of a string. The parameter s represents the character still available for permutation, and current holds the part of the permutation that has already been built. Now, in the next line here, this checks if the base case for the recursion. When the length of s means the length of string becomes 0, it means all characters from the original string have been used to build the current permutation. Now, in the next line here, when the base case is reached, that is, s is empty, this prints the complete permutation stored in the current variable. Now, in the else part here, this marks the recursive step which continues the process for generating permutations by iterating over available characters in the string s. Now, in the next line here, this loop iterates over each character in the string s. The variable I is the index of character being processed in the current iteration. Now, in the next line here, this is the recursive call where this s and this s both creates a new string without the character at index I, representing the remaining characters, and current plus s adds the character at index I to the current permutation. And this process continues until the base case is reached. Now, in the next line here, this defines a helping function to handle the processing of the input string before calling the main recursive function. Now, in the next line here, this sorts the characters of the input string in the lexicographic order to ensure permutations are generated in the desired order. Now, in the next line here, this calls the recursive lexicographic permutation function with the sorted string as input. It begins the process of generating permutations. Now, the next line prompts the user to input a string which will be used to generate permutations. And the next line, this prints a header message indicating that the output will display permutations in the lexicographic order. Now, in the last line here, this calls the permutation in lexicographic order function with the user provided string as input, starting the process. So let's check this program. As we need to enter a string, and the string will give all the possible combinations of the given string. So thanks for watching this video.